Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. Soglank tumka येवकार माझ्या cooking channel चेर. So today I'm going to show you all how to make pork recipe with rosemary and few dry spices, and it's yummy, it's tasty. I'll be using some 1 cup of red wine. And let's start. So this is already been marinated. This pork is 2 kg. Please note down the ingredients. 2 kg of pork, okay, pork meat, fats and boneless, okay. This is 2 kg. So I'd applied 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, then 2 tablespoons of vinegar and salt to taste, and marinated and kept this for 2 days in the fridge. So this was in the fridge for 2 days. तर हे जावन आसा 2 kg चे मांस, दुकराचे मांस, दुकरा मांस जे का चोरप आनी मांस आसा, हाडां ना. आनी हे हांवें मॅरिनेट केला. 2 व्हडली कुलेरां आमचे आले लसणाची पेस्ट, 2 व्हडली कुलेरां विनाग्र, गोंयची विनाग्र, आणि आमचे मीठ एज पर टेस्ट. हे लावन दवरून 2 दीस, मतलब इन द फ्रिजान हांवें 2 दीस दवरलेले. सो यू हॅव टू स्टोर दिस इन द फ्रिज फॉर मॅरिनेशन फॉर 2 days. And this is now 3rd day. I'm making a recipe out of it. So the other what we need, So I'm going to use rosemary to give it a flavor for this pork meat. Pork is already with flavor, but I'm going to use this around 10 leaves whole like this of rosemary. These are 6 onions, red onions, few curry leaves. Then these are like 3 Kashmiri chilies and 2 pods of garlic. Red wine, you can use any wine, cooking wine. Then this is 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Then I'm going to use this dry spices, okay. This is cinnamon stick, 2 of cardamom, 6 of cloves and 10 of pepper. So let's start. So let's put our pork meat in this. So I'm going to cook this in a pressure cooker, and it will be like 9 whistles depending on the pork. So this will take at least 9, more than 9 whistles, and you have to see, open if the pork meat has left the fats, that means it is done. Now we'll add our turmeric powder and this whole masalas, and we'll add this rosemary, first we'll mix this all with onions. And we'll add our 1 cup of, so cup measurement you can get it in Amazon. Now we will add our chilies. curry leaves, and this will go all whole. First we will mix this. Garlic. We'll add like 1 cup of water to this. And cook this in a pressure cooker for 9 whistles. It can take 12 whistles also depending on your pork meats. Now this pork was little bit, see the fats and all, so it will take time. No oil, the fats will be released later as it is getting cooked. And I have kept this fat pieces. You want smaller pieces, you can cut it into small pieces. These are boneless. Let's cook this in the flavor of our pork. High flame and then make it on a low flame. This is Prestige Deluxe Alpha. I am using this pressure cooker. So here are, it's around 12 whistles total which I have, it took for this meat to get cooked. And I will show you. So this is without oil, and the fats and the garlic is also cooked. And I will be keeping this gravy. So this is with gravy. Anybody wants without gravy, then just leave it open pan and it will get nicely. Saute it in that only and thicken your gravy. So माझे मास आता जाऊन असा तयार आणि 12 whistles. So total 12 whistles for this pork meat to get cooked. But please check. So what you do, you can keep it on the pressure cooker, and after 6 whistles, you let the whistle or cooker become cool. Open the cooker, check the meat. If the meat is hard, again close it and cook it for another 4 whistles. So that way you can do. But I knew about this meat that it was not that tender pork. It was a big pork, this meat piece. So according to that I have an idea. So it took for me 12 whistles, pressure cooker. Okay, so my pork meat is ready to serve, and it's yum yum yum. It will go nicely with the pulao, and hope you will all enjoy this. Thank you so much. Dev bare karo.